डी ब्लॉग में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री। इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है, पॉइंट एग्जाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सभी एग्जाम में। इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री द स्टडी ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्रॉम एनर्जी रिलेटेड ड्यूरिंग स्पॉन्टेनियस केमिकल रिएक्शंस एंड द यूज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी टू ब्रिंग अबाउट नॉन स्पॉन्टेनियस केमिकल रिएक्शन। केमिकल सेल क्या होता है? जिंक प्लस कॉपर डैनियल सेल, द सेल दैट कन्वर्ट्स द केमिकल एनर्जी लिबरेटेड ड्यूरिंग दिस रिएक्शन। Zn प्लस Cu2 प्लस रिएक्ट करता है Zn2 प्लस प्लस Cu into electrical neutral and has an electrical potential equal to 1.1 when concentration of Zn2 and Cu2 plus ion is unity. Such a device is called galvanic cell or voltaic cell. If an external opposite potential is applied in the galvanic cell and increased slow, we find the reaction continue to take place till the opposing voltage the value. It now functions as an light cell for a device for using electrical energy to carry on spontaneous chemical reactions. यहाँ पर एक फिगर भी बना हुआ है, कितना कौन सा कैथोड है, कौन सा एनोड है, किस पे। Galvanic cell क्या होता है? A galvanic cell is an electrochemical cell that converts the chemical energy of spontaneous redox reaction into chemical electrical energy. In this device, the gives energy of the spontaneous redox reaction is converted into electrical energy, which may be used for running a motor or other electrical gadgets like heater, fan, gauger, etc. Daniel cell discussed earlier is one such cell. In the following redox reaction occurs. The two electrodes have a cell is called half cell redox reaction. The copper electrode called reaction half potential cell, and the zinc electrode are at the oxidation half cell. Each half cell consists of a metallic electrode dipped into an electrolyte. The the two half cells are connected by a metallic wire through a voltmeter and a switch externally. A potential difference develops between the electrode and electrolyte, which is called electrode potential. When the concentrations of all species involved in a half cell is unity, the this electrode potential is known as standard electrode potential. Galvanic cell, the half cell in which take place oxidation called an anode, and it has a negative potential with respect to solution. The other half cell in which reduction take place cathode and has a positive potential with respect to solution. Thus, there exists a potential difference between the two electrodes as soon as the switch is on. The switch is on the on position. The electrons flow negative electrode or positive that electrode direction of current flow is opposite to that of दोस्तों स्टैंडर्ड हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Only the difference between the two half cell the potential that gives the EMF of the cell S plus electron half S2 E cell E minus इतना. They sometimes metal like platinum and gold are used in it. They do not participate in the reaction but provide their surface for reactions for the conduction. दोस्तों नस्ट इक्वेशन ये हर एग्जाम में पूछता है. ये क्या है नस्ट इक्वेशन? नस्ट सो दैट फॉर द इलेक्ट्रोड रिएक्शन Mn प्लस प्लस इलेक्ट्रॉन M. The electrode potential at any concentration measured with respect to standard hydrogen electron can be represented by Emn plus M equal to Emn plus minus RT upon NF ln M upon Mn plus. But concentration of solid M is taken as unity and we have Emn plus upon M is equal to Emn plus upon M minus RT upon NF ln 1 upon Mn plus Mn Emn plus upon M has already defined. R is the gas constant, F is the Faraday constant 96487, R is the 3.314, T is the temperature in Kelvin, and Mn plus is the concentration of species Mn. In Daniel said the electrode potential for a given concentration of Cu2 plus and Zn2 plus ions we write Cu2 plus E upon Cu E naught Cu2 plus upon Cu minus RT upon 2 ln log 1 upon Cu2 plus for anode E Zn plus Zn2 plus upon Zn equal to E naught Zn2 plus upon Zn minus RT upon 2f ln 1 upon Zn plus 2 plus. The cell E say is equal to E Cu2 plus minus E Zn2 plus upon Zn Cu2 minus RT upon 2f upon ln RT जेटा देखिए दोस्तों कितना आता है. दोस्तों बस इतना ही आज. में वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब लाइक शेयर करना मत भूलिए। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।